Today, let's take a closer look at the EVDC S90S90 DC charging cable for electric vehicles. Specially designed for charging stations, it adopts national standard-compliant, oxygen-free copper conductors as its core, delivering high conductivity and low power loss. Its insulation and sheath are made of TPE material, offering excellent wear resistance, anti-aging properties, and long service life. Equipped with a copper wire shielding layer, it provides bidirectional electromagnetic interference, EMI shielding. Simply put, it protects internal high-voltage power signals from external complex electromagnetic interference, while effectively confining interference within the cable. This product has obtained dual certifications of the national standard GBT 33594 and DEKRA K175, and meets EU RoHS 2.0 standards. It boasts robust performance, including UV resistance, flame retardancy, oil resistance, and resistance to water and alkali. Prioritize charging safety and long-term reliability. Choosing professional cables means choosing peace of mind. Follow JOCA for efficient and secure connections.